How to change the keyboard on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your phone. In Settings, scroll down and click on System. In System, simply click on Language and Input at the top. After that, click on Virtual Keyboard. And then click on Manage Keyboards at the bottom, which is the last option. In here, you'll find all your keyboards available. You can simply turn on one and turn off another in this way. And this is how to change the keyboard on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.